on, guys? My name's Nick. I'm up here in Maple Motors, and I got another one for you. This is a big block 454 Monte Carlo. It's a 70 model, and it runs good. It's super slick all over, inside and out. And I'll do a little walk around, point out any flaws I can find, but we got it up here for $17,900. Like I said, that's a 70 Monte Carlo, stock number 40C. But I went ahead and got the hood open because these hoods on these cars are particularly hard to get up with one hand. And I like making my videos all in one cut. Sometimes I get phone calls, other things happen, but we'll do a little walk around on it. It's got a nice clean front end. The bumper's looking good. Looks like a lot of the trim's been replaced. Under the hood's nice and clean. So the paint on this car is slick, that's for sure. I love the color. I'm not seeing really any scratches or dents. Tailpipes are a little scuffed up. They once were chrome, now they're half chrome. Rear bumper looks like it's fairly new. I like to pick on these cars, but this one's actually kind of hard to find any paint chips or scratches. They had all that painted under the hood. It's got the compressor and stuff. The blower motor wasn't blowing very hard. Not saying it don't work, but I couldn't hardly feel it because the blowing motor. Oh no, the buzzer works. Take the keys out. I'll go ahead and go to the trunk, let you check it out. We just washed this car before we came down. There's a couple runs, a little water's getting in somewhere. It's like it's dripping from up there, so. Few extra trim pieces in the trunk. That's Also dripping on this side in the same area. We'll check it out in here. Did notice on the seat, it's got a little bit of wear. It's got some scratching, stitching's missing a little bit. But overall, I don't see any rips or tears. Just a little scuffed. That back panel there got a few crinkles in it. Same with the other side. Headliner looks to be pretty good and needs a light. They just got that thing hanging. Also needs the piece to the back of the seat. The whole thing's missing. Dash has got a little crack around the speaker here. Little spot there, otherwise that ain't too bad. So I just got power locks. Let's see if they work. Let me put the key in just to check. Yeah, they don't work. I've got detailed pictures of underneath the car. Every car at the lot. You can check that on my website, weMainbsite.com. It's about 100 detailed pictures, so. Tell you what, I've been driving this thing around quite a bit, getting my videos done, my driver videos for it, which is also separate post from this one. I do a walk around, talk about the car, and then I get in it and test drive it, so I'll also be looking for that. It'll be going up right after this video. And I tell you what, this motor is barely pushing a 160 this whole entire ride, so it's staying cool. I appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, you can comment below. I'll try to get back to you. Also, you can give me a call at 615-822-4444. We're in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We've been in business over 36 years, going on 37. And I hope to hear from you. We're all family. I'm the youngest one in the family. I work there with my father, my uncles, my grandfather. But check our website, weMainbsite.com. There's 100 detailed pictures inside and out and underneath of all the cars. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys. Please share the videos. Please subscribe if you haven't. And thank you.